Hey guys, this is Faithful Kane. This is the starting of my house. So far, this is what it is. Wait, here, let me walk through this real quick. So, this is like a snow dome, biodome, whatever. This is so if you get like lost, this, no fancy, just fancy. I'll show you what's underneath, after. Okay, so this is it. Got some torches. When you walk in, there's a furnace, some sandstone, all dirt. So this is like a mud house, whatever. My bed. I was trying to mine that earlier. Wait. Let me just get that. You could see in my inventory there how I got flint. Seems like, and I just found this out, that when like gravel is stacked on top of each other, and you mine it, and the other piece of gravel drops on top, it creates flint somehow. So I got a lot of flint. Wait, oh my gosh. Thank you. So I got my furnace and everything. Nothing in it, right? Oh, I didn't finish. So yeah, I got the flint. Yeah. I got a bookshelf. Got some paintings. Got a jack-o'-lantern. So far, good. We got, all the basic stuff, workbench, all this. Okay, now, what I was going to show you was, as I fall, oh my gosh, it's so lag. Okay, so, I, at school, am learning about, medieval times, and, so, I was thinking about school. I have no idea why. And I was thinking, what happens if I were to build a moat? So, since this is a snow, I don't want it to all freeze up like this. So, I put blocks over it, and then I deleted the second blocks. And here it won't freeze because it's like too deep. So, yeah. And it's also a great way to, trap, sheep. So we are gonna go down the ladder here. I found like a lot of coal here again. Well, I didn't say this. But I never like dig like really deep for coal or anything. So this is like my first time really digging deep. And yeah, so I thought this would be like a little cool hideout. Get like some sugar cane and stuff. And then get like, some, yeah? Okay. Sorry guys. Anyway, yeah, so making seeds, I want to make, bread. See, cause you need, thingamabobbers. Oh, sorry, my controller's in the way. You need wheat, so, trying to get that all ready. There's one on that side too. Okay, so, I really stuck, like, I don't know what I should do now or anything. I will show you my mine though. For some reason, I always make my house randomly. Sorry guys, I put my controller again. I always find my houses, close to mines. So I've been starting to mine here, all up here. Like, yeah. And, so far so good. See, this is where I got all that flint. Oh. What the? Yeah, whatever. The deeper the go, the better. So I'm just really making stairs.